Hey, what's up, guys? How are you all, guys? Today video I will show something crazy because in this video I will show you how to make epic thumbnail for your video. And so if you are Bengali, if you are Bangladeshi, then you can go to my second channel, link in the description, and let's begin the show.
I just wanna keep moving, keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact, never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up staying strong, always moving on, feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, start with no
First, someone tell me that how I made the outline of the character. First, you should go to the PSCC. Wait, PSCC first, and then plus icon, and then photo library, gallery, and then I will select my this photo. Then you should polygon selection tool, and then show pointer, and then go to your character, group the character. I just make it for example, I just make it for firstly. You should try this seriously, and
I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad.
I just make this into this, click this, and you can, and then now I all the clear, and then hide pointer, and then make an empty layer. You can see there is a problem. I see I made an empty layer, and then make it the select pixel, and then go to add, and then fill and stroke, and then go to type, and then stroke. Give stroke, which stroke give comfortable in this character. You can decrease or increase the stroke. I will give 4, or I will give 3. It look like comfortable and good. And then zoom out, and then go to polygon selection tool, and then show pointer to make this, to clear this, make this, and then create this, and then go to it, and then clear, and then make this stroke. We should make this crop, and then go to and then fill. Okay, it will be done. And then we'll deselect hide pointer, and then go to empty layer, and then go to FX. You can see FX, and then go to stylish and glass. You can decrease or increase the amount which is comfortable in your character. See, many people give it low, or many people give it high. You can see it is comfortable for me. And then duplicate this layer, and then go to FX, and go to tint, and then this background is orange, and I will give it orange look. Let's give it orange. I'll decrease the luminosity. You can see, okay, it is good. And then after making this, you have go to this icon, and then go to linear dodge add, and then go to FX, and then Gaussian blur. You can decrease or increase the Gaussian blur, which is comfortable or good, looking good for you. I will give it 10. It is looking good. If you make it glow, and then duplicate layer, you can see mini glow. Okay, and Okay, I will quit this and then go to pixellab. In pixellab you can edit your text, you can 3D your text, etc, etc. I will text in my text, and then you can give font, many font. You can find font in da font or many other sites, or you can search in YouTube font pack. You can see many font pack video you can download there. I will search big noodle, it is my favorite font one, my text, and then you give your glow, go to color and then gradient and give this white and silver gradient, and then inner glow and then inner shadow white, and then blur radius increase, and then give a shadow blur radius. After making this you can see the text is more awesome, and I just and make your background transparent. I will make it just for example, you can give your text easily. And then in picsart I can add picsart or paste is similar for me, because some people says that paste is very difficult, and picsart I will then see that picsart is so comfortable and this is not so difficult. And I will one photo to edit for you. Okay, wait, and go to all photos, and then I will go my that background which I make a video on it, and then I will select this background. You can give blending, text, etc, effects. Then go to another app which is called Lightroom. You can color correction your any photo in Lightroom. I will choose this photo. I just choose this photo, then go to all photo. Sorry, that is not, yes it is. You can color correction in your any photo. You can exposure increase or decrease your exposure, contrast. I will increase the contrast, highlight. You can see what I do. You can see that it's look like awesome. It is before and it is after. You can color correction in any video. This is the part 1. I will make it some mini part there. I will show you details in this video. I will show you basics. So bye bye.